Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am doing a product review. Today I am reviewing the Aurora Paper Shredder. Okay, so Paper Shredder's been on the market for a very long time, and for a while I thought I didn't need it until I found out that people were going in the garbage trying to retrieve information. So if you are a person that conduct any kind of business online, anything dealing with your home business, your home affairs, your personal business, you're going to need a paper shredder, especially during this time. So there are paper shredders that will shred up your documents. They will also shred your credit cards, your old credit cards, stuff like that. So like I said, I was forced to do this because, yeah, I remember I was getting weird phone calls and people trying to scam me and stuff like that. And people were actually going in the garbage can. I caught someone. They're trying to get information on people. So I decided to go, and I was doing a search, and I was searching all around, and they had some that was very expensive. They had some that was like inexpensive. So I was looking at the reviews and the stars, and this one had good reviews on it. It's in this box here. This is what it looks like. Let me take it out. This is my first shredder, y'all. I should have gotten one a long time ago because it's very important. You know, even when you get those offers in the mail, you may not respond, but you should shred those up because it's very easy for people to take your information, run with it, steal your money. Looking for all kinds of personal information. So it comes with this thing, so waste basket. It has a window here where you can see, like if you're filling it up, you can fill it up and you can see whether you have a lot of stuff to empty it out. It says here on the little thing that they had in there, Aurora, as part of Aurora quality inspections, we test every shredder before shipping it. Because of this, you may see paper shreds in a bin from testing. That's a good idea because I know you guys are like me. You don't like getting things that don't work. I paid under $40 for this shredder. They have them for different prices. You may or may not find the one for this price. So this is the top of it. And they said something about I have to place the front of the shredder where on this side, because if you put it on the other side, it will not work. It won't even turn on. So I'm going to put it on top of the basket. And y'all, I'm going to come back in a minute or so and I'm going to start the shredding, y'all. So guys, I'm going to turn it on. So it says that you can use 8 papers, I guess at one time to shred stuff. Put more than one sheet. It's a lot of things sometimes you be sleeping on, and then when you get it, you're saying, why was I sleeping on that? You know, keep people out of your business. Even your medical records and stuff, you want to shred that stuff up too. Because people are so nosy. They just looking for information instead of minding their own business. So y'all, you see how easy it is? I'm going to come back with some more papers and shred a little bit more. So they tell you not to do too many papers because this thing will overheat and it will cut off for a little while. But as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job. So y'all, that's all that I have to shred up for today. I'm going to show you stuff that I shredded up. See there? Look at that. So it'd be very hard for people to try to get your information like this, unless they're some kind of doggone expert. So if you are interested in this shredder here, I'm going to post a link below and you will see the one that I have. I may even post ones that's similar to this under the same company. So y'all, this is my review. Don't let nobody try to rip you off, scam you. Protect yourself at all times, okay? Love you all. Bye.